Now start the third example. Suraj Company Limited issued a 3,000 share, each of rupees 20. Means face value is rupees 20. Applications are were received for 4,000 share. In first example, same calls were received. In second example, under call were received. But in this example, over call is received from a public. Company wants to issue the 3,000 share, and but applications are issued 4,000. As per Company Act, company never issued not a single share in comparison of their allotment. So, company were rejected excess application. Company wants to issue 3,000 share, applications are issued 4,000, means there is 1,000 excess application. As per Company Act, company were rejected the excess 1,000 application, and application fee thereon, the application fee received on 1,000 application were refunded by company immediately, and allotment were made properly. Properly means company were allotted 3,000 share and 1,000 application refunded, application fee refunded, and share capital payable as under. On application rupees 6, on allotment rupees 5, on first call rupees 7, and on final call rupees 2. Call money was received properly, passed the journal entries in the books of company. So check this actual position of our example. In diagram, company wants to issue 3,000 share, application are issued 4,000 from a public. So there is excess application 1,000, company were rejected 1,000 application and refunded application fee immediately, and allotment were made properly, means 3,000 share were issued by company, and the face value of rupees 20. How to correct? So rupees 6 on application fee, rupees 5 on allotment, rupees 7 on first call, and rupees 2 on final call. Again, total, check the total: 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So, record this transaction in the form of journal entries. So, journal entries in the books of Suraj Company Limited. So, first entry they will change. The applications are issued from public. First, application fee issued from public. So, first entry, bank account debit, and applications are issued from a side of public 4,000, and each of rupees 6, 24,000. Means bank account debit 24,000, two share application fee account 24,000, big application fee received. So, second entry is a main entry. Because company were rejected 1,000 application and application fee refunded immediately to public. So how to record in the form of entry? So like this, share application fee account debit 24,000, means 24,000 received on application fee. But company want to issue the 3,000 share as per Company Act. So to share capital account, 3,000 multiplied by 6 means proper amount credited to share capital. So, to share capital account, 3,000 multiplied by 6, 18,000, and 1,000 application rejected. Thereon application fee refunded. Refunded means cash goes out. Therefore, to bank account, 1,000 multiplied by 6 means 6,000, 18,000, 6,000, 24,000, 24,000. As per double entry system act, debit credit must be equal. So debit credit must be equal. So being excess application fee refunded and proper amount credited to share capital. Then allotment were made. To an amount call on allotment. So share allotment account debit 3,000 multiplied by 5, 15,000. To share capital account 15,000. Being amount due on allotment and amount received from a shareholders, therefore bank account debit 15,000, to share allotment account 15,000 being amount received on allotment. Then as per requirement, company call a money on first call. Therefore, entry share first call account debit 3,000 multiplied by 7, 21,000. To share capital account 21,000 being amount due on first call, and same amount were received from shareholders. Therefore, bank account debit 21,000. To share first call account 21,000 being amount received on first call. And finally, remaining amount called by company from a shareholders is known as a final call. Entry share final call account debit 3,000 shares are issued. Each share call ₹2 on final call. So 3,000 multiplied by 2, 6,000. To share capital account 60,000 being amount due on final call. And last entry, bank account debit 6,000. To share final call account 6,000 being amount received on final call. So in this example, there is a single change. Applications are rejected by company, and application fee on thereon were immediately refunded to shareholders. So in this example, same point repeated, but there is a change. Pankaj Company Limited issued a 50,000 share, means Pankaj Company wants to issue 50,000 share. Each of ₹6 is a fresh value, original value, but applications were issued for 60,000 share. Again 10,000 applications are issued in more excess. Company wants to issue 50,000 share and applications are issued for 60,000. So excess application, what is about excess application? Company may rejected excess application because as per Company Act, company never issued a single share of their issue. So 10,000 application fee rejected by company. But what is the change in this example? The application fee thereon credited to allotment account. In previous example, the excess application fee refunded immediately. But in this example, company were not refunded, same amount credited to their allotment account. So allotment were made properly and the share capital payable as under ₹2 on application, ₹2 on allotment, ₹1 on first call and ₹1 on final call. The call money was received properly, passed the journal entries in the books of company. So again, a picture of our example. Company were issued 50,000 share, but applications are received from a public 60,000. The excess applications are 10,000 were rejected by company immediately, and allotment were made proper. Properly means wants to issue the 50,000 share, so company were allotted 50,000 share. 10,000 applications rejected, and their application fee were credited to allotment. How to record this transaction? How to consider this calculation? Actual. So the face value of ₹6 per share, ₹2 on application, ₹2 on allotment, ₹1 on first call, ₹1 on final call. So how to calculate this example? How to solve this example? Journal entries in the books of Suraj Company. So first, applications are received from the public. So cash received, therefore entry bank account debit. There is a 60,000 applications are received from public. Therefore, ₹2 received on 60,000. So 60,000 multiplied by 2. Company were received a cash of ₹1,20,000 on a application. Therefore, to share application fee account ₹1,20,000 being application fee received. Second main entry, share application fee account debit. Share application fee account debit ₹1,20,000 to share capital account. Company wants to issue only 50,000 share. Therefore, application fee on 50,000 share were credited to their capital account. So, to share capital account, 50,000 multiplied by 2, 1 lakh, and 10,000 applications are rejected by company, but their application fee not refunded, credited to allotment. So there is a change to share allotment account. If money refunded at that time, to bank account should be mentioned. But in this example, company credited the excess application fee on allotment account, therefore to share allotment account, 10,000 multiplied by 2, 20,000. Being excess application fee credited to allotment and balance transferred to their capital. Again, there is next main calculation. Share allotment account debit. Company were allotted 50,000 share. 50,000 multiplied by 2, 1 lakh. To share capital account 1 lakh. Being amount due on allotment. But at the time of cash received on allotment, there is a calculation. Bank account debit. Money call on allotment 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. But excess application fee already received by company and credited to allotment, therefore already 20,000 received by company out of rupees 1 lakh. So this is the main point. Actual cash received at the time of allotment, bank account debit, the company were called rupees 1 lakh, but excess application fee rupees 20,000 already credited to allotment, means already received by company 20,000, means actual 80,000 received at this time. So entry bank account debit 80,000, to share allotment account 80,000. This is the main calculation. How much amount received at the time of allotment. Then first call, share first call account debit. Company were allotted 50,000 share, rupees 1 call on first call, so 50,000 multiplied by 150,000. To share capital account 50,000. Being amount due on first call. Then amount received properly from shareholders. So bank account debit 50,000, to share first call account 50,000, being amount received on first call, and balance amount called by company, that is final call. Entry share final call account debit, again 50,000 shares were issued, each of rupees 1 means 50,000. To share capital account 50,000, being amount due on final call. And last entry, bank account debit, cash received from the shareholders. So bank account debit 50,000, to share final call account 50,000, being amount received on final call. So in this example, these two entries are important. First, second number entry, excess application fee credited to allotment. So share application fee account debit, to share capital account 50,000, excess application fee credited to allotment, to share allotment account credit 20,000. And at the time of receiving the allotment amount from public, the actual call on allotment 1 lakh, but already 20,000 credited by company on allotment account, so already received. So 1 lakh minus 20,000 means actual 80,000 received at the time of receiving the allotment fee by company. So these two entries are main entries. Okay, thank you.